Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger, and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger and you will click. Here if you find updates you can update